Good morning. Today we will discuss about the isomers, and we might have studied the types of isomerism, structural and stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of two types. One is optical isomerism and another is geometrical isomerism. So today we will discuss about only geometrical isomerism. So geometrical isomerism means the compounds which are having same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement of group of atoms or atom present on doubly bonded carbon atom. So it should be remembered that the geometrical isomerism is represented by carbon-carbon double bond only. It may be also there if the carbon is bonded with nitrogen through a double bond. But here we will discuss only carbon-carbon double bond. That means alkene. So let us start with definition of geometrical isomerism. The compounds which are having same molecular formula but differ in geometry. Geometry means the spatial arrangement of the atom or the group of atoms. Spatial arrangement of atom or group of atoms. On doubly bonded carbon atoms. Doubly bonded carbons are called as geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomers, and this phenomenon is known as geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. So here we take an example of alkene. C double bond C, CH3 group, here also CH3. Both carbon atoms are having similar group of methyl. So the name of this alkene is but2ene, and we can write this molecule in the other form, C double bond C, in which both methyl groups are present across to each other. This one. The name will be same, but2ene. But here the major difference between these two forms, that is the position of this alkyl group or the group of atoms. In this molecule, both alkyl group, both methyl group are present in the same site. If both or same group are present in the same side of both carbon atom, then it will be called as cis form, cis but2ene. And if they are present in across, that means opposite sides, then it will be called as trans. So we can say that geometrical isomer is having two forms, cis and trans form. So there is difference in melting point, boiling point, dipole moment, solubility, etc. This molecule, that means cis form, is polar and this will be non-polar because the dipole moment created by this group is cancelled out by this one. So here dipole moment, that is is equal to 0, divide. But here the dipole moment is equal to 0.33 divide. So we can say that cis form is polar and trans form is non-polar. So we can take another example of alkene, that means the molecules which are having carbon-carbon double bond in this manner. So that is all about of geometrical isomerism. You have to apply this concept in different molecules or putting different atoms, different groups of atoms on doubly bonded carbon atoms. Suppose if you put chlorine in place of CH3, here will be CH3 or chlorine, then you can write the same thing as both isomers of that molecules also. Thank you very much.